Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Dynamic. Today, we're diving into the incredible 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS, a car that pushes the limits of luxury, power, and design. If you're a fan of Ferrari, you'll know that the 812 GTS is the ultimate expression of what the brand stands for: pure performance, stunning aesthetics, and an unparalleled driving experience. The 812 GTS is Ferrari's latest addition to their V12-powered lineup, and it represents the pinnacle of Ferrari engineering. So let's talk about what makes this car so extraordinary. Starting with the engine, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS continues the legacy of Ferrari's naturally aspirated V12 engine, which is nothing short of breathtaking. This car is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces an astonishing 800 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Ferraris on the market today. The acceleration is rapid, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.8 seconds, and it can reach a top speed of over 211 miles per hour. This is a car that's built for speed, and it delivers on every front. The 812 GTS isn't just about raw power though, it's about refinement and precision. The handling is sharp and agile, thanks to Ferrari's advanced dynamic systems that ensure a smooth yet thrilling ride. One of the standout features of the 812 GTS is its design. Ferrari has always been known for creating cars that turn heads, and the 812 GTS is no exception. The car has a sleek, aerodynamic profile that not only looks stunning but is also designed to improve performance. The front end is aggressive, with the signature Ferrari grille and sharp headlights that give the car an unmistakable presence. The rear end is just as striking, with the quad tailpipes and sculpted lines that exude power and sophistication. The Ka black color option, which we've been focusing on today, really brings out the car's curves and enhances its aggressive stance. The shiny finish of the paint gives the 812 GTS a mirror-like gloss, making it look even more captivating under the showroom lights. Inside, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is all about luxury and technology. The interior is designed with the driver in mind, offering a cockpit that's both high-tech and elegant. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital display, which controls everything from navigation to performance data. The layout is sleek and minimalistic, with high-quality materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and metal accents. The seats are designed for comfort and support, ensuring you have a perfect driving position no matter how long your journey. And let's not forget about the sound system. It's crystal clear, filling the cabin with rich, immersive audio. But what truly makes this car special inside is the attention to detail. Every surface is designed to enhance the driving experience and provide the utmost in comfort and style. When it comes to driving the 812 GTS, Ferrari has done an amazing job of blending power with precision. The steering is incredibly responsive, allowing you to feel every twist and turn of the road with unmatched feedback. The car's chassis is designed to keep you in control, whether you're cruising down a straight highway or tackling tight corners. The 812 GTS is a convertible, offering the thrill of open-air driving while still maintaining the same level of performance and comfort that you'd expect from a hardtop Ferrari. The retractable roof adds an extra layer of excitement to the driving experience, allowing you to truly feel connected with the road and the world around you. But it's not just about the performance or the design. Ferrari's commitment to technology is evident in the 812 GTS as well. The car is equipped with the latest in driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a state-of-the-art traction control system. These technologies ensure that the 812 GTS isn't just about speed and power, it's also about safety and ease of use. Whether you're on a winding mountain road or in stop-and-go traffic, the 812 GTS provides a driving experience that's both exhilarating and safe. In conclusion, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is a masterpiece. It's the perfect blend of performance, design, and technology, and it represents the future of Ferrari's V12 lineup. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates automotive excellence, the 812 GTS is a car that demands attention. From the moment you lay eyes on it to the second you press the accelerator, this car delivers an experience like no other. It's a true Ferrari in every sense, and it's one that will undoubtedly stand the test of time. Thanks for tuning into Auto Dynamic, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible car reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.